Hi bestie, if you have clicked on this video, that means you don't want to procrastinate, and I am here to help you with my this video. Stay tuned, and I am going to share some amazing tips for this. So there is a quote there is a quote for procrastination, that the cost of procrastination is the life you could have lived, and which is so true. I believe in that because I am a procrastinator, and I know how horrible it makes you feel that you want to do a task and you are just lying in bed scrolling your phone, which is so brain draining, which is so exhausting to do. And here are some tips, here are some points or why you procrastinate and how to stop it. Like the first tip or first point is perfectionism आइडियल स्टैंडर्ड से, लाइक आप पिक्चराइज कर लेते हो अपने माइंड में कि यही जो सेटेड स्टैंडर्ड है वही परफेक्ट है और उसी पे आपको खरा उतरना है, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आपको परफेक्ट होने की या फिर आइडियल होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू बी in the mindset of starting it first. You just have to be in the process of doing that thing or processing your work more and more. Second point is fear of unknown, which is like your mind protects you from potential dangers, like what if this happens, what if that happens. And trust me, nothing's gonna happen, nothing bad gonna happen with you. And if you start doing that, you will get to know that how good that thing is, how good or how relaxing it can make you feel. And the third point is that you just give numerous reasons, like I'll do later. You just have to know that what does it cost of cutting your time, and you just want to just delay that thing more and more. Like let's take an example of you want to finish 2 chapters in a day, but you are not doing that because of XYZ reason, because you know that how exhausting it makes you feel. But trust me, if you finish those 2 chapters, it's going to help you in class test, it's going to help you in your semesters or much more. Fourth point is lacking of experience. We all lack of experience, we all lack of motivation, but sometimes eventually you will get better day by day, trying it more and more. And you don't have to like I have said, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to start first, and eventually you will get to know about things. And you are unclear about how to get started, you just have to do a little research, you just have to get more knowledge about that thing. Like if you have 5 chapters or 2 chapters in a day, you just have to break it, you like point wise, this particular topic I will do today, or in 1 hour or in 30 minutes, which will going to help you more and more. And fifth point is that you often get distracted, whether the distraction can be your phone or someone else. So what I do to get rid of distraction is I put my phone on silent, I put my phone away from myself, and I try to focus on things. And when you do it, you will eventually do it for an hour or 2. So getting rid of distraction that is out of sight, out of mind will help you to get better. And the last tip is you love your comfort zone too much that you don't want to do it. Of course, being in your comfort zone is good, but gives you a haunting feeling that you can't do anything, or you are not able to do it, or you are not doing these things. Sometimes getting out of your comfort zone or stepping out of your comfort zone can put you in comfort as well. Like if you want to exercise for an hour and you feel like that's so difficult, how could I do that? But doing that exercise will make you feel better. So guys, that's all for today, and in next video I'm going to bring some new topics like that. Please subscribe my channel, please like this video and leave a comment. And I'm just a beginner, so please be kind with me, and I love you all. Thank you. Bye.